Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga. I love crocheting and I create video tutorials which I share here on my YouTube channel. I especially like Lacy designs and I have a blog which I invite you to visit at lacycrochet.blogspot.com. I have a lot of free patterns there. I also have an Etsy shop where I sell my crochet designs. I have a great variety of patterns for babies, children, for women. I have patterns for home decorations and accessories. I always try to make my written patterns as easy to understand and follow as possible, and I always respond to my customers when they have a question about my pattern or when they need some help with it. So if you are searching for a particular pattern, please take a look at my Etsy shop and maybe you'll find it there. Thank you. And in today's video, I would like to show you a very simple lacy stitch that can be used for a great variety of projects. I chose to make a scarf with it, but there are so many possibilities. You can use this stitch to make a lacy baby blanket. You can use it for a summer blouse or summer top. If you crochet with thread, you can make a beautiful lace table runner with this stitch. I made a lacy scarf with one skein of soft and shiny yarn by Loops and Threads and a hook size H 5mm. My scarf came out 44 inches long and 8 inches wide. So this is not a very long scarf, but it does tie nicely around my neck and kind of looks like a cowl. So I'm going to keep it this way. But if you would like to make your scarf longer, all you need is to continue crocheting until you reach your desired length. Alright, let's get started on this project. The starting chain must be multiple of 7 plus 6, and for my scarf I start with 41 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 41 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the second chain from the hook I will make a single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2. So over here I make a single crochet. Next I skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Next, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and I skip 2 chains. 1, 2, and into the next third chain I make a single crochet. So this was one pattern repeat. Now I begin repeating the pattern. I skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I skip 2 chains. 1, 2, and into the next one I make a single crochet. So now I have 2 pattern repeats, and I continue crocheting this way all the way across. And I ended this row with 3 double crochets into the last chain. And this is what the first row looks like. Next, 1 chain and turn, and I'm ready to start my next row. Into the very first double crochet I make a single crochet. Then I skip the next 2 double crochets, and over here into the next single crochet I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet over here I make a single crochet. Then again I skip 2 double crochets, and into the next single crochet I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the pattern begins to repeat. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into the next double crochet, then 3 double crochets into the next single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and I continue crocheting this way all the way across. So here I work this row till the end, and I finished with 3 double crochets into the very last single crochet. Next, 1 chain and turn, and all I'm going to do now is to repeat row 2. Again, I start with a single crochet into the very first double crochet, then I skip 2 double crochets and work 3 double crochets into the next single crochet, then 3 chains, a single crochet into the next double crochet, skip 2 double crochets and 3 double crochets into the next single crochet. And that's the way I'm going to continue crocheting my scarf, simply repeating row 2 over and over again. And here what it looks like. Very beautiful pattern, has very nice texture and very easy to crochet. Thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.